Hello guys, today I will show you guys how to replace the batteries out for the Wahl shaver. The thing is like both of the 5-star Wahl shaver is like the batteries is out. All you need to do is replace the batteries. It's very easy. Just put it out and order the same thing. I bought this from eBay. It's $11 for the two, so it's a chance for me to replace both of them. And you can save a lot of money from like do it yourself, so it's very easy. What I'm doing right now is like tape these, the positive to positive and the negative wire to negative sides, and tape them up. You don't have to solder, so it's much easier. So next time you want to replace the batteries, just put them out and untape it. Take the tape out and you'll be fine. Okay, it's very simple and easy, quick. And after that, you have to test it to see if it's working or not. Okay, put it back. So it's worked perfectly. Now you can put it back, everything back. Now this is the back. Okay. Put back in first. Make sure everything is fine. Snap them in. Put the clip back. Very simple and easy. And now put back the switch. Make sure everything is snug in tight. And this button right here, yeah, you have to put it back. And that's it. See you guys. You have a good shaver now. All you need is to put back the head and ready to roll. So you can fix it yourself, and simple. It's very easy. Don't be afraid to open it. And it's perfect. And good luck to you guys.